Cocoyam tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Cocoyam's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you how I made my sweet potato and cocoyam pottage, okay, what we call Mpotompoto or Nuhuu. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So with this recipe I'm going to use goat meat, but you can use any protein of your choice. So in a pot I added my chopped goat meat, it's already washed, salt, seasoning, and then some onions. I added a little bit of water and then I'll cover and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes it's tender, so I'm going to add my sweet potatoes and then cocoyam. You can do away with the sweet potatoes if you don't have, okay? You can replace with yam or any tuber of your choice. Yes, so I'm using some sweet potatoes and then cocoyam. Once everything goes inside, I will be adding one fresh tomato, onion, and then chili. Then I will add water and then allow those to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes I'm going to take out the tomatoes, onions, and then the chilies. Then I'll blend and add it back to the potatoes. Please kindly check the description box for all the ingredients and their measurements, okay? So once you're done, just pour it and then add water depending on how thick you want your Mpotompoto. And then I will be adding some salt and then seasoning. Feel free to add any spices of your choice, okay? So once everything is well mixed, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. So whilst I allow that to cook, I'll go ahead and heat some red oil, and then I'll add white sliced onion, carrots, and then scallions, okay? With the original recipe it doesn't have carrots and scallions, but I do that because of the flavor it gives the Mpotompoto. And then I also went ahead and add some stockfish. Yes, we call it a refwa. So once you stir fry for about 5 minutes, turn off the heat, and then we're going to add this to our potatoes and cocoyam. Yes, so at this point it's also done. So I'll be adding some water spinach. You can add any green leaves of your choice. If you don't want, you can take it out, but I think it's nutritious and then you need to add it. Then go ahead and add your palm oil stir fry. All right, once everything goes inside, mix it very well and then allow it to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes, and then your food will be ready. This smells so good, and then I really love how simple, and then the potatoes and everything mashed by itself. I really love it. Don't make it too thick because once Mpotompoto cools it becomes more thicker. So this is how I want it, and I really love everything about it. If you want fish you can add, but I was solely going for goat meat today. And then trust me, the smell, the food tastes great. Go ahead and then serve and enjoy. I hope you're going to try this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. To my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel, okay? So stay tuned. I love you all. Take care. Bye.
Recipe. Tasty recipe.